Welcome to our video on the science and technology behind solar panels. In this video, we will explore how solar panels convert energy from the sun into electricity and how they are made. We will also discuss the current and future state of solar energy and how it is expected to impact the world in the years to come. This video is an informative guide for anyone who wants to understand the basics of solar energy and how it is shaping our world. So sit back and enjoy the video, and please leave any questions or comments in the section below. A solar panel works by converting energy from the sun into electricity. The panel is made up of photovoltaic cells, which are made of semiconductor materials like silicon. When sunlight strikes the cells, it causes a flow of electrons, creating a direct current of electricity. This DC electricity is then sent through an inverter, which converts it into alternating current electricity that can be used in homes and buildings. The AC electricity is then sent to the electrical grid or used directly by the building. Solar panels are made from a variety of materials, but the most common material used is silicon. The process of making a solar panel begins with the production of silicon ingots, which are large cylindrical blocks of silicon. These ingots are created by melting silicon and then slowly cooling and solidifying it. Once the ingots are made, they are cut into thin wafers, which are then cleaned and treated to remove impurities. After that, the wafers are treated with a layer of phosphorus, which gives them a negative charge. This is followed by a layer of boron, which gives them a positive charge. These treated wafers are then assembled into solar cells. The solar cells are then assembled into solar panels. The cells are connected in a series and then encapsulated with a protective cover and a backing. The cover is usually made of tempered glass and the backing is made of aluminum. The panel is then sealed and wired for electrical connection. Finally, the solar panels are tested to ensure that they meet industry standards for performance and safety. Once they pass inspection, they are packaged and shipped to their final destination. In recent years, thin-film solar panel is also became popular as they use less silicon and have less environmental impact during production. Solar panel technology is expected to continue to improve in the future, leading to more efficient and cost-effective panels. Advancements in materials science, such as the development of new semiconductor materials and the use of multi-junction cells, are likely to lead to higher energy conversion efficiencies. Additionally, improvements in manufacturing techniques, such as the use of automation and the development of new production processes, are expected to lead to lower costs of production. The use of solar energy is also expected to continue to grow in the future as countries and individuals look for ways to reduce their dependence on fossil fuels and lower their carbon emissions. Government policies and incentives, such as tax credits and subsidies, are also likely to play a role in promoting the adoption of solar energy. As the cost of solar energy continues to decrease, it is expected that more people will adopt solar power as a source of electricity. This will lead to the creation of more jobs in the solar industry, and more investment in research and development of solar technology. Overall, the future of solar energy looks bright as technology continues to improve and the demand for clean and renewable energy sources increases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.